Hello everyone. So we have a good question from the chapter of vectors and 3D. So let's quickly go through this question once. A vector R has been given and you can see what this looks like. It has been said that A, B, C, vectors A, vectors B and vector C are non-zero, non-coplanar. Now what this essentially means is that this value will not be equal to 0. Why? Because it has been said that they are non-coplanar, right? Right. For had this box product been equal to 0, it would have implied that these three vectors are coplanar. Since it has been explicitly mentioned that they are non-coplanar, this value cannot be equal to 0. Okay. So now let's start with the question. Okay. And it has also been said that R is orthogonal to 3A plus 5B plus 2C. मतलब perpendicular है. Okay. So this is the equation which has been given to us. 3A plus 5B plus 2C is equal to 0. Right? This is the condition for orthogonality. Okay. They are perpendicular, like I said. Upon multiplying, we will get 3A B cross C cos Y plus 5B dot C cross A plus 2C A cross B into sin X is equal to 0. Okay. Now, these three terms are essentially the same. Okay, because we are aware of this property. Box A, box B, or rather box ABC is equal to box BCA equal to box CBA, and whatever other combinations are possible. Okay, this is a property of box product, or rather scalar triple product. So this value right here, cos Y, or rather 3 cos Y plus 2 sin X plus 5 will be equal to 0, right? Now this value cannot be 0. The value of this entire thing cannot be 0. Why? Because of this property which we have proved earlier, right? So it is this expression which has to be 0. Now, for what value of x and y do you think this thing will be 0? It is only possible for one value, or rather the values which will occur periodically, right? For y, we can consider this to be minus pi, and for x, this will be minus pi by 2. Why? Because at minus pi by 2, the value of sin x will be minus 1, right? So this value right here will become minus 2, and cos minus pi, if you look at the graph, this is minus pi by 2, and okay, this point right here is minus pi by 2, and this point is minus pi, right? So cos minus pi is also minus 1. Okay, so this entire thing will have the value minus 3. So the value of x and y are minus pi by 2 and minus pi. We will now put these values in this particular expression. Okay, and when we put it, the value which you will find is equal to 3. I am not calculating this, but it's very easy to calculate. Okay, when you put minus pi by 2 and pi in the values of x and y in this particular expression, this is the answer which you will get. Thank you.